Yeah. You see the coil here? I see the sacrifice. Every mile, every tool, every lesson. TECNOROQUEADS. Built, never borrowed. Started with empty pockets, but my hands were never empty. Every scar taught me something. Every setback built me differently. I don't need people talking. Let the work explain my name. When the lights come back on, that's my Hall of Fame. I've been under the sun, I've been working through the rain. While they were looking for comfort, I was chasing something greater than fame. A clean system, a happy family. Another promise I can keep, that's enough for me. Yeah. Every screw, every wire, every drop of sweat is another signature I leave behind. Built from pressure, built from pain. Never folded, never changed. I don't sell promises, I build trust. Every system, every customer, every day, that's us. Technoro, more than a logo, more than a name. It's everything I became. People see the van, they don't see the journey. They see the tools, not the nights that made me worthy. Every machine has a heartbeat, every home has a story. When I fix the problem, the peace becomes my victory. No shortcuts, no excuses, no pretending. If I touch the system, I'm giving everything, because tomorrow someone will remember, not my words, but my word. Success isn't loud, it's quiet consistency, showing up again, 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 until your name speaks before you do. Started from nothing. Started from nothing. Still aiming higher, built with discipline, forged by the fire. No matter how far, I will never forget. Every customer trusting me before I earn respect. TECNOROQUEADS, that's not just business. That's legacy, that's family, that's me. When the job is finished, the tools go silent, but the reputation keeps working forever. Forever.